San Francisco Marine Food Bank has been a crucial community member since 1987. They have impacted so many lives with their services. San Francisco, thank you so much.
We will create a destination that goes beyond shopping and a place that brings people together.
Well, first of all, let me say congratulations and thank you to Arda and the entire IKEA team that's joining us here today. They are going to be the folks who are going to be greeting customers and working with folks, so make sure you're really, really nice to them. And then maybe they'll tell you some of their design tricks, right? But it is so great to finally be here. Back in 2018, when our former governor, Jerry Brown, held a global climate summit in San Francisco where we welcomed leaders from all over the world, we had a chance to meet with leaders who support and were looking for a new concept of sustainability for IKEA. And I said to them when I met with Javi and others, look no further than San Francisco, because this is where you need to be. And in fact, we got a big empty mall that you might want to consider. About IKEA is the unique options that they provide and how inexpensive they are and how they cater to what San Francisco is trying to do. In the next 8 years, we hope to be able to build 82,000 units. And what does that mean? A bunch of people who need furniture. And those units are not going to be big. They're going to be kind of small because we know how it is in an urban, dense city like San Francisco. So how do we provide unique spaces and opportunities for people to afford to pay for the items that places like IKEA have to offer, and also make their space extraordinary and unique to San Francisco. Especially in light of when others are trying to talk about San Francisco and our narrative. And like any major city, we know San Francisco has challenges, but we also know that people want to be here. We also know that this is one of the most beautiful, incredible cities anywhere in the world. That's why the spotlight and attention is on us. And we are now, as a result of opening IKEA here today, showing the city a new model, but also showing what we are made of, showing our resiliency and our willingness to do everything it takes to bring back business to San Francisco, which not only creates an opportunity for people to shop, but it creates an opportunity for people to work.
Thank you so much, Mayor Breed.
I still remember, it was probably 3.5, 4 years ago. We came into the building. Mayor, this is when we started the conversations, right? The building was empty. We had, of course, some conversations, but we really believed this was the right thing to do, right? And here we are, 2023, August, opening the IKEA store. So I want to say massive thanks to everyone that made this project possible.
track of the numbers.
Not too bad.